Hello, the information you will hear in this video has been prepared using the prospectus. If it is useful for your video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to support the channel. The active ingredient of bentyl, which is in the antispasmodic classes, is dicyclomine. Bentyl is typically available in tablet or liquid forms. Dicyclomine is an antispasmodic medication that controls the excessive activity of intestinal muscles, reducing spasms. What is bentyl, and how does it work? Bentyl is a medication classified as an antispasmodic. It controls the excessive activity of intestinal muscles, reducing spasms. This can alleviate symptoms such as abdominal pain and discomfort associated with digestive system problems. How to use bentyl. Take this medication by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor, usually 4 times a day. To reduce your risk of side effects, your doctor may direct you to start this medication at a low dose and gradually increase your dose. Follow your doctor's instructions carefully. If you are using the liquid form of this medication, carefully measure the dose using a special measuring device spoon. Do not use a household spoon, because you may not get the correct dose. Mix the dose of liquid with an equal amount of water before taking it. Antacids lower the absorption of dicyclomine. Do not take this medication at the same time as antacids. If you are taking an antacid, take it after meals and take dicyclomine before meals. The dosage is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose or take this drug more often without your doctor's approval. Your condition will not improve any faster and the risk of serious side effects may increase. What should I do if I miss a dose of bentyl? If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if the next dose is approaching, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Things to consider before using bentyl are as follows. Before taking dicyclomine, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or if you have any other allergies. This drug may make you dizzy or drowsy or blur your vision. While working with this medicine, one should be careful to keep it vigorous and its leaves permanent. This medication may make you sweat less, making you more likely to get heat stroke. Avoid doing things that may cause you to overheat, such as hard work or exercise in hot weather, or using hot tubs. It is essential to consult your doctor regarding the use of bentyl during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Generally, usage during these periods should be under the supervision of a doctor. Bentyl may interact with alcohol, and it is generally advised not to use them together. Consult your doctor for specific guidance. Bentyl may interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to inform your doctor about all the medications and supplements you are taking. What are the side effects of bentyl? Side effects may include headache, dizziness, dry mouth, blurred vision, constipation, and difficulty urinating. However, not everyone experiences these side effects. If this video was useful for you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share your opinions and experiences in the comments section. I wish you healthy days.